everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make this ceviche, which is also known as shrimp cocktail, but this way has a unique twist to it, like all of my recipes. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe because I upload every other day quick and easy recipes. Now let's get started. We're starting off by chopping our produce. We have here some fresh tomato along with some red onions, fresh mint, and fresh cilantro. This is going to go into the bowl. And to cook our shrimp, I'm simply placing 2 pounds of shelled deveined shrimp into some boiling water to seep until it's light pink in color. Stir them around a bit and drain and dice the shrimp into bite-sized pieces. Now don't forget that the recipes are always listed down below. This is a Guatemalan style recipe. It has a very fresh and unique taste. We're juicing about 3 to 4 fresh juicy limes, and this is going to really brighten up the ceviche. Mix it in the bowl and be sure that it coats all of those fresh shrimp. We're going to be seasoning this with some pepper, an 1/8 cup of soy sauce, and a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. For the last part, the V8 tomato juice is going to go in, and this is when you want to try it and see how it is on the salt. If it needs some salt, go ahead and add a sprinkle or two, and this ceviche is ready. Be sure to serve this with some saltine crackers. You will love this shrimp cocktail with a twist. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel, and be sure to keep posted for more of my future quick and easy recipes.